Wet electric underfloor heating installers and installation Marbella. At iBuild, we offer a complete service in the domestic and commercial sector, covering all aspects of design, supply and installation of wet underfloor heating installation. Our highly trained installers can deal with all types of building work and have completed many projects around Marbella, so we will be able to offer you both an excellent quality of service as well as a competitive price. Investing in wet underfloor heating has many benefits, the most important of which is that it is very cost-effective. This type of heating system can be a great help to your budget. It will save you money and still keep your room warm and comfortable. You can also be sure that a wet underfloor heating will be environmentally friendly. One of the reasons why this is so is because it does not add any moisture to the air. Your home will always be fresh, clean and healthy. Furthermore, this kind of heating will not use up the air in the room. Instead, it will emit hot water through pipes that are placed below the floor. Thus, only heat is distributed throughout the house instead of air, which can make it stuffy and uncomfortable to breathe in certain rooms, as well as inefficient and expensive to cool down or ventilate if need be. If you are looking for specialists in wet underfloor heating installation in Marbella, give us a call.